Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech and today is quite a bit different video because as you know the lockdown period is still continuing in India. So the OnePlus company did not send any review units to the YouTubers because of this lockdown period. But they have brought a new feature in the Instagram, that is the virtual unboxing. Today I'm going to virtually unbox the OnePlus 8 Pro and the OnePlus 8 mobile phone. So let's get started. This is the OnePlus India official Instagram page out there, and we have the filters option there, and we have the OnePlus 8 Pro and OnePlus 8. Let us click the OnePlus 8 Pro mobile phone, and you have to just click tap to place for the mobile phone. But before that, let us move it to the horizontal position so that it will be very clear to you, so that you can see it very clearly. Yeah, I have moved it to the horizontal position, and you can see this is the OnePlus 8 Pro box. You have to just tap to continue, so you have to just open the box. You can see all the contents are there. First, let us see the case. This is the regular case that we get with all the OnePlus series mobile phones like the OnePlus 7, 6 and etc mobile phones. And next we have the main, that is the OnePlus 8 Pro mobile phone. This is a never settle wallpaper on the screen out there, and this is the ultramarine blue color, and it comes with the three variants, and this is the glacier green color and this is the onyx black color. These are the three variants that we get. Actually it comes with the 6.78 inches and it has a 120Hz fluid AMOLED screen, and it is powered by the Snapdragon 865 processor. It has the 5G chipset, that is the Snapdragon 855 modem, and it is having the Type-C connector. You can see this is the regular OnePlus devices cables. You can see the same cable. And next we have the Warp charger. It is 30-watt fast charger. It is 5 volts and 6 amperes, and battery is around 4510 mAh capacity. And next is the OnePlus 8. This is the OnePlus 8 mobile phone, not the Pro version, just the OnePlus 8. And you have to just click tap to continue, and you can see the never settle card is there out there. This card we did not see with the OnePlus 8 Pro mobile phone, but it is there with the OnePlus 8. You can see, and the OnePlus stickers will be there. Back we have the plastic recycling and some extra stuff written on there. And next we have the same case that we saw with the OnePlus 8 Pro and etc OnePlus devices. And next we have the OnePlus 8 mobile phone itself. It comes with the three variants, that is the onyx black and interstellar glow and the glacier green. And next we have the cable, that is the same cable as the Type-C cable that we saw with the OnePlus 8 Pro. And last we have the Warp charger, the same 30-watt output charger that we saw with the OnePlus 8 Pro mobile phone. I hope you all guys got a new experience with this virtual unboxing, and that's all from this video. If you find this video informative, hit that like button and share with your friends as much as possible. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box below. I'll definitely answer your questions. Do subscribe my channel by clicking the AkhilanTech logo and clicking subscribe button. This is Akhilan signing off. I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers.